Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Steven from Simple Tech. Today I'm going to teach you on how you can unmute your mic as muted by your system settings. So this is an error you can find when you're trying to log into a Google Meet webinar, but you can't join or you cannot join the discussion because your microphone is muted. So I've tried using the suggested Learn More by Google article, but this one didn't solve my issue. So to solve this, it's very simple. Just go to search on your Windows machine, then look for control panel. On the control panel, look for sound and double click. On the pop-up, click on the recording tab. Then on the microphone that is normally highlighted by the green tick, double click and go to the levels tab, and then click on the speaker icon. Now this one will enable your microphone and it will record your sound, so you will be able to participate in an online webinar or an online call. Thank you very much, and this is how you solve this problem. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and that is how you solve that microphone problem. If you enjoy this type of video, give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.